Kancheepuram is an ancient city in the southern Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is located about 70 kilometers from Chennai, the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Kancheepuram is known as the City of Thousand Temples. It is a place of great religious and cultural significance. The city has been ruled by many dynasties over the centuries, including the Pallavas, the Cholas, and the Vijayanagara Empire. Each dynasty has left its mark on the architecture and culture of Kancheepuram. Kancheepuram is one of the 7 holiest cities in India. It is considered to be a sacred site by Hindus. The city is home to many temples, each with its own unique history and mythology. Some of the most famous temples in Kancheepuram include the Kailasanathar Temple, the Varadaraja Perumal Temple, and the Kancheepuram Temple. The city is also known for its silk saris, which are renowned for their exquisite craftsmanship and vibrant colors. The silk weaving tradition in Kancheepuram dates back centuries and continues to be an important part of the city's economy and culture. Kancheepuram is a city of contrasts. It is a place where ancient traditions and modern life coexist harmoniously. Visitors to Kancheepuram can experience the best of both worlds. They can explore the city's rich history and culture, and they can also enjoy its natural beauty. Kancheepuram is renowned for its magnificent temples. They stand as testaments to the architectural brilliance of ancient India. The city's skyline is punctuated by towering gopurams, which are intricately carved gateways that soar towards the heavens. These temples are not merely places of worship, they are also centers of art, culture, and learning. The temples of Kancheepuram were built by various dynasties, including the Pallavas, the Cholas, and the Vijayanagara kings. Each dynasty left its own distinctive mark on the architectural style of the temples. The Pallava dynasty, known for its patronage of the arts, built temples like the Kailasanathar Temple, a masterpiece of rock-cut architecture. The Chola dynasty, known for its grandeur and opulence, added to the architectural landscape with contributions to the Ekambareswarar Temple complex. The Vijayanagara Empire, known for its intricate carvings and massive structures, expanded the Varadaraja Perumal Temple. The architectural styles of these temples vary, but they share some common elements, including the use of granite, intricate carvings, and towering gopurams. The temples are adorned with sculptures of gods and goddesses, scenes from Hindu mythology, and intricate geometric patterns. They are a testament to the skill and artistry of the ancient Indian craftsmen. The Kailasanathar Temple stands as a magnificent example of Pallava architecture. It dates back to the 8th century AD. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is a masterpiece of Dravidian rock-cut architecture. It was built by the Pallava king, Rajasima Narasimhavarman II. This temple is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temple is known for its intricate carvings and sculptures. The walls of the temple are adorned with sculptures depicting scenes from Hindu mythology, including the stories of Shiva, Vishnu, and Parvati. The temple also features a number of smaller shrines dedicated to various deities. One of the most striking features of the Kailasanathar Temple is the use of sandstone as the primary building material. The sandstone has been carved with incredible precision and detail, creating a sense of ethereal beauty and grandeur. The temple's architecture and sculptures are a testament to the artistic and architectural skills of the Pallava dynasty. They continue to inspire awe and wonder in visitors from around the world. The Varadaraja Perumal Temple stands as a testament to centuries of faith and architectural brilliance. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and spans a vast complex. It showcases the contributions of various dynasties, making it a fascinating tapestry of architectural styles. The temple is one of the 108 Divya Desams, Vishnu temples that are mentioned in the works of the Tamil Alvars, the saint poets. The temple's construction began in the 11th century AD under the Chola dynasty. Subsequent additions and renovations were made by the Vijayanagara and Nayaka rulers. Each dynasty added its own distinctive style to the temple complex, resulting in a unique blend of architectural elements, including the towering gopurams of the Vijayanagara period and the intricate carvings of the Nayaka style. One of the most notable features of the Varadaraja Perumal Temple is the 100-pillared hall known as the Ayiram Kaal Mandapam. This hall is adorned with exquisite carvings and stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of the Vijayanagara Empire. The temple also houses a sacred tank called the Anantha Saravaram, which is believed to have healing powers. The Varadaraja Perumal Temple is not just a place of worship, it is a living testament to the enduring faith and architectural heritage of South India. Kancheepuram is renowned worldwide for its exquisite silk saris. These saris are more than just garments. They represent a rich cultural heritage and a tradition of weaving that has been passed down through generations for over 1,500 years. These saris, woven from pure mulberry silk, are distinguished by their vibrant colors, intricate designs, and durability, making them a prized possession and a symbol of celebration and status. The silk used in Kancheepuram saris comes from the best quality mulberry silk, procured from South India. The dyeing process is an art in itself. Natural dyes are often used to achieve the vibrant hues that Kancheepuram saris are famous for. The dyeing process is a closely guarded secret, passed down through generations of families involved in the silk industry. The weaving process is equally intricate and labor-intensive. It is often carried out on hand looms, with weavers meticulously interlacing threads of different colors to create the sari's design. The designs themselves are often inspired by temple architecture, mythology, and nature, reflecting the cultural richness of the region. The borders and pallu, which is the end part of the sari draped over the shoulder, often feature elaborate motifs and patterns, adding to the sari's grandeur. Section 6. The Weaver's Legacy, a Symphony of Silk. The weaving tradition in Kancheepuram is not merely an economic activity, it is a way of life, a legacy passed down through generations. The weavers, mostly belonging to weaving communities, treat their craft with reverence. They invest years in honing their skills and understanding the nuances of silk weaving. Their knowledge, passed down through oral traditions and apprenticeships, ensures the continuity of this ancient art form. The weaving process is a testament to patience and precision. It can take weeks, sometimes even months, to complete a single sari. The weaver sits at the loom, meticulously interlacing the silk threads, bringing the design to life. The rhythmic clatter of the loom becomes the soundtrack of their lives, a symphony of silk woven with dedication and passion. The Kancheepuram silk industry, however, faces challenges in the modern era. The rise of power looms and cheaper alternatives threatens the livelihood of traditional weavers. However, there are efforts to revive and sustain this heritage craft. Government initiatives, along with the growing awareness and appreciation for handloom textiles, aim to empower the weavers and preserve the legacy of Kancheepuram silk for generations to come. Section 7. Nature's Embrace. The Pallava River and beyond. Beyond its temples and silk, Kancheepuram offers glimpses of natural beauty that provide a tranquil contrast to its bustling urban life. The city is located on the banks of the Pallava River. The Pallava River, though often reduced to a trickle during dry seasons, adds a touch of serenity to the landscape. Its banks are lined with temples and shrines. They offer picturesque views, especially during sunrise and sunset. The surrounding countryside of Kancheepuram is characterized by fertile plains. These plains are dotted with paddy fields and coconut groves. The landscape transforms into a vibrant green canvas during the monsoon season. It offers a refreshing change of pace from the city's urban environment. The city's location also makes it a gateway to explore other nearby natural attractions. The Vedanthangal Bird Sanctuary, located about 40 kilometers from Kancheepuram, is a haven for birdwatchers. During the migratory season, the sanctuary comes alive with the sights and sounds of various species of birds, including pelicans, storks, and ibises. Section 8. Kundrathur, a haven for wildlife. For nature enthusiasts, a short trip from Kancheepuram leads to Kundrathur. Kundrathur is a small town located about 30 kilometers away. It is known for its dense forests and the Kundrathur Hill. The Kundrathur Hill is a popular destination for trekking and offers panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The forests around Kundrathur are home to a variety of wildlife, including deer, peacocks, and various species of birds. The area is also known for its medicinal plants and herbs. These are used in traditional Indian medicine. Kundrathur offers a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. It provides an opportunity to connect with nature and experience the tranquility of its forests and hills. The area is also dotted with ancient temples and shrines. These blend harmoniously with the natural surroundings, adding a touch of spirituality to the landscape. Section 9. Conclusion. Kancheepuram, a confluence of heritage and nature. Kancheepuram stands as a testament to the rich tapestry of history, spirituality, and natural beauty that South India has to offer. The city's architectural marvels, particularly its magnificent temples, serve as a window into the artistic and religious fervor of ancient dynasties. The intricate carvings, towering gopurams, and serene temple tanks evoke a sense of wonder and reverence. The legacy of Kancheepuram silk, passed down through generations of skilled weavers, adds another layer of cultural richness to the city. The vibrant colors and intricate designs of Kancheepuram saris are a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship that has been nurtured for centuries. Beyond its urban landscape, Kancheepuram's natural beauty, embodied in the flowing Pallava River and the surrounding plains, offers a serene contrast. Nearby destinations like Kancheepuram provide opportunities to delve deeper into nature's embrace, exploring forests and encountering wildlife. Kancheepuram, in its entirety, offers a captivating experience for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in the cultural, historical and natural wonders of South India. It is a city where the echoes of the past harmonize with the rhythms of the present, creating an unforgettable symphony of experiences.